Hello. Today I'm going to talk about Law of Abundance, Part 6, Sixth. So I have been talking about the law. As you know, everything works according to the law. So I'm going to talk about the law of abundance. If you're feeling lack can be anything. Everybody's lack is their own version. So we're trying to build the business, yes. Business can be your personal goals or professional goals. So whatever your goals are, if you're feeling lack can be your money or you want to see your business the way you want to see in abundance, growing, expanding, or you might have a personal goal. So whatever you're feeling lack around, so this lesson is for you. Definitely it's going to help you. So law of abundance, there is a law. There's no lack in the universe world. And if we are feeling lack is only in the mind. So how we can change that lack, how we can feel and experience the abundance. So it's to do with your own mindset. It's nothing to do with your family or friends, the environment or the news, whatever is happening around the world. It's to do with how you think as your mindset. So if you're feeling lack, whatever the lack is for you, you have to start thinking as abundance. You might be saying how to do that, how to feel the abundance, how I can experience the abundance. So whatever I'm feeling as a lack. So today's lesson is all about gratitude. Gratitude is a most important, which most of the time we don't do it. So most of the time we are just complaining about things. We are just blaming about others, or we fighting with others. We're trying to change others and to see that abundance, experience that abundance, to create that abundance. But it doesn't work like that, because everything works according to the laws. It's a law. Whether you believe them, you don't believe them, laws are working all the time. So today I'm going to talk about the law of gratitude. Gratitude is a, counting your blessings. So whatever you have already, you have to start writing down the gratitude. Or things not working for you, things are not according to the way you wanted to see, you have to start writing down the gratitude. So you can start gratitude with I am so happy and grateful now that, and fill that gap. Whatever the gap is, you appreciate, and the gap is you still not experiencing as lack. You can feel that as a positive. You already have it. Assume you already having it, or you already going to have it. But you have to assume it right now. You already have whatever you experiencing, you don't have. So you have to replace that lack to abundance. So start doing that affirmation, writing it down, the things you appreciate, the things you don't have. You can start writing ahead the things you are not experiencing as abundance. And as I said, make it small affirmation and do that every single day. Start uh, uh, about 40 days, see how you go, and then keeps and after 40 days start all over again. And you can keep writing the things you already have. You can repeat it again and again, or if you want to add something new, you can do that also. And this no right and wrong. It just more you put, more you will have focus on something, more you appreciating something, and you're giving your energy and your power, and that's what is expanding. That is what meaning behind gratitude, because focus is there and your energy is there. You, of course, you're going to feel the vibration changing also. So we attract everything how we feel as vibrationally, and you're definitely going to feel good about yourself when you do gratitude. Gratitude is a very powerful tool, and there is a book by Rhonda Byrne who made the Secret movie, and she never had the money to make the secret movie, but she was doing writing down gratitude every single day, and she created that secret movie, and she made the movie. And the gratitude is very powerful. When you only going to experience it when you write it down and you start doing your gratitude every single day. If you miss the day, you have to start all over again from day one. And that way you can discipline it yourself, and you can write it down every single day. So law of gratitude is a part of sixth part. And if you haven't watched other parts, go and watch them. Part 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And today is the sixth. And it's all about law of abundance. There's no lack in the universe world, only lack in the mind. But we have to uh, change to abundance, and we have to learn how to do that. Is to do with your own mindset, and it's about growth. Once we start to grow, and with awareness, we definitely going to experience and create and do have and create abundance. So you can start doing that also. And if you have any question, please ask, leave the message, and I can answer them according to this lesson. Thank you for watching the YouTube. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of thinking to result. And what I have learned, this is what I'm sharing with you. And of course, I'm working on my goals as I'm trying to build my business, and you can start doing that same. Whatever your goals are, personal goals or profession goals around your business, and doing that, definitely you're going to see the change. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.